श्रीराघवं सीतापदं श्रीराघवं सीतापदं श्रीराघवं सीतापदं श्रीराघवं सीतापदं
త్రికుట్టక త్రికుట్టక తక త్రికుట్టక త్రికుట్టక తక త్రికుట్టక త్రికుట్టక తక దళంగుత దికిటతో తజ్జం తక తరిత తక జం తక తరితే తజ్జం తరి తక జం తరి నక జం తరి కడత జం తరి కడత జం తరి తద్ది గిన్నత్తం తత్తిం గిన్నత్తం కడతగ తరగడతోం తద్ధి గిన్నత్తం తద్ది గిన్నత్తం కడతగ తరగడతోం తద్ధి గిన్నత్తం తద్ది గిన్నత్తం కడతగ తరగడతోం
श्रीराघवं सीतापदं श्रीराघवं सीतापदं श्रीराघवं सीतापदं श्रीराघवं सीतापदं श्रीराघवं सीतापदं श्रीराघवं सीतापदं श्वप्रभाते तु शपथं मैथिली जनकात्मजे करोतु परिषन्मध्ये शोधनार्थं ममैव च यथाहं राघवाधन्यम् मनसापि न चिन्तये तथा मे माधवी देवी विवरं ददातु महती तथा मे माधवी देवी विवरं ददातु महती मनसा कर्मणा वाचा यथा रामं समर्चये मनसा कर्मणा वाचा यथा रामं समर्चये तथा मे माधवी देवी विवरं ददातु महती तथा मे माधवी देवी विवरं ददातु महती यथा एतत् सत्यं युक्तं मे वेद्मि रामात् परं न च यथा एतत् सत्यं युक्तं मे वेद्मि रामात् परं न च तथा मे माधवी देवी विवरं ददातु महती 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 विवरं ददातु महती विवरं ददातु महती माधवी देवी माधवी देवी माधवी देवी माधवी देवी सीता विश्लेष त्रयम् सीता विश्लेष त्रयम् सीता विश्लेष
Ladies and gentlemen, that was a memorable performance, as was expected from her.
Dr. Vaijayanti Mala Bali. And may I now request another very famous dancer, Srimati Shutoba Talukdar, who is sitting right at the front, to kindly come up to the dais and do the honors for us. May I request the Chairman and Managing Director of Indo-Occidental Symbiosis, Sri Shobhik Dasgupta, to kindly accompany Srimati Shutoba Talukdar. Ladies and gentlemen, the wonderful accompaniment by Dr. Bali's co-artist definitely need a very, very loud applause from all of you. Let me introduce them. Vocals, Shri Girija Shankar. May I request Shutopadi to present flowers to Shri Girija Shankar. Wait. Srimati Shutoba Talukdar to Sri Girija Shankar. Wonderful vocals. Nattuvangam by Srimati Gayatri Shashidharan. Srimati Gayatri Shashidharan. Mridangam, Shri M. Shaktivel. May I request after Shutopadi, can I request Shobhik to give some of the flowers to the violinist, Kumari Mysore Sangeeta. Sangeeta. On the flute, Chaitanya Kumar, who could not be seen, but his flute could be heard. And backstage management, Srimati Rani Balachandar. Rani ji, if you're here. And of course, sitting in the well, Sri Sai Venkatesh, who was responsible for the wonderfully ambient lights that he had created. Shutopadi to Sri Sai Venkatesh. Ladies and gentlemen, the lady is waiting in the wings. Dr. Vaijayanti Mala Bali, who has enchanted us again. Srimati Shutoba Talukdar and Shobhik Dasgupta would jointly present her with flowers. The flowers are indeed symbolic of the love and appreciation that each one of us have for this extraordinary artist, Dr. Vaijayanti Mala Bali. We have only one request. Can we request Dr. Bali to say a few words? And we want a promise from her that she would come back again.
First of all, I can promise you that I'll definitely come back again. Well, my wonderful, wonderful people of Kolkata, within 1 year, I have already come twice. First time for the Malhar Festival, and Shobhik Dasgupta so kindly invited me to perform Bharatanatyam. I think it is his love and affection, and more than anything, his hard work, his sincerity in whatever he is doing, in trying to bring in art and culture and in its true form, and keeping the tradition going, keeping the tradition alive, which is very important today, because it is good for the youngsters to learn so much. Today is, to gain knowledge, to learn from the past, because there is no present without the past. It's all linked, and there's no future without the present. So it's all linked, so we can't put away the past. The past is very much alive today. And, well, you can see me. And more than anything, I've enjoyed performing here for this wonderful festival, and organized by my dear Shobhik. And it's a very, very happy, it has synchronized and coincided so well. It happens to be his birthday today. So we have to give him a big hand. Thank you, and God's blessings, and all my good wishes. And of course, he says that next time I come, I should do Tagore's Chandalika. And I think I'm taking his word rather seriously and going about it in a big way. But it is rather tough because I have to revive the whole thing. And I have done umpteen times Chandalika in the past in Kolkata. And it has always been very successful and people have really liked it. So I'm sure I'd like to do it again, and I'm sure you'll all be here to watch me perform Chandalika at the earliest, I don't know when. Well, I cannot say within a year, but sometime. So I thank you all for your patience and for enjoying the performance. Thank you once again, and a special thanks to you, Shavik. Thank you so much for inviting me. You've always done it in a very big and a grand way because you have a very good heart. And heart is very important for art. He has both. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you for this wonderful, this compeer is not only speaks well, she's very beautiful also.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we would watch Dr. Vaijayanti Mala perform every day if that were possible.
I'd like to, on behalf of my wonderful musicians, I couldn't have done this, and they're absolutely my backbone, my support, and they're so good. They're highly professional. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, our dance festival will continue tomorrow, so we do hope to see you all. A very good night, and once again, a very big hand for a lady who has continued to enchant us and will do so in the future. Thank you, ma'am.